Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna work on this old disc back here. I was able to find this up the street a ways for about $100. It's a 1940s area John Deere JB Disc. Probably do some maintenance on it, and then I'll probably use it to disc up a little bit of land, get it ready for planting. Problem I'm having is the discs are loose, and I believe the end of it is recessed in there. You can see this one, it's right at the end. This one is way in there, so it's pulling it in through the disc. So I'm gonna try to take it apart. I don't know if I can get parts for this. I don't know how much expensive they'd be. I'd like to take this apart and see if I could just weld something on the end of that. I don't know if it'll happen or not, but we'll see. Well, I got this rack off the top of there, and it's got these, let's see if I can find one in here, square nuts, and I had to use the air hammer to get them babies off because rust welded to that thing. They've been on there so long. Cleaned up these bolts just a little bit, but they're in rough shape. As you can see, that one on the far one is almost rusted through all the way. I'm going to try and get this bearing apart, see if I can take this disc off. Well, I had a few little issues as I was repairing this thing. Got it all put back together now, but when I was undoing this nut, it didn't seem to quite come right at first. I think I was twisting the shaft inside, and took it apart. It came apart, of course. Came apart, and I tried taking that whole shaft out of the disc gang, because this shaft goes all the way through. Tapped on it with a hammer, broke the end off. It's rust welded to each one of these pieces that go around the shaft. There's no way to get it out of there because it's so bad. But I was able to weld the end of the shaft back on, put the nut back on, and it's holding for now. We'll see how it does. I was able to get this disc to tighten up some. I welded the end of this shaft, as you can see in there. Just welded it to the, I don't know what you want to call the bumper here. So it's good to go now. So I was able to get this end welded up on this, so it's not all wallered out anymore. I think what wallered it out is they had this, they just had a bolt through here without this bushing on it, so it was squeezing that shaft down more and rubbing on it and wearing it out. So it's supposed to have, show you when it has it. I fixed this one too because it had the same deal going on. It didn't have these in there on both sides. Show you what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like that, where it's got those little standoffs and the little piece arm moves inside of there. So I was able to fix that, get it all fixed up. Just found these bushings down at Tractor Supply. And put them on there, and it's holding good for now. So we'll see. Another repair I made on this disc was these arms. So when this disc was made, it had rods that came out of here and went down to a hole in this to keep this from flopping up and down. And when I bought it, those were gone on both sides, this side and that side. So I had to rig something up there. That's what I come up with, a little piece of angle iron to hold it on there. It's working pretty good now. So yeah, did put some bushings in the end of this just to hold it so it wouldn't flop over, because there was just a little carriage bolt through there. and 2 nuts on the end. So we'll see how it works. That very trip rope before it was just flopping all over. But, yeah. I'd like to change this hitch a little bit on this disc because this doesn't work so great for backing it up into a corner. This is just a clevis put on here with this bolt coming up through here. I'd like to put one that's like a C so it would actually go over the hitch here, down through that hole, so it would actually hold on there. But that's what we have for now. It works okay when you're pulling, but if you're trying to back up, it don't work so great. So it's only fitting that we pull this thing with my Minneapolis Moline BF here. I took the hood off because I had some issues with the alternator, which wasn't even the alternator, it was just a wire that broke. Anyways, I took it off just for test runs and things, just to a little easier access, you know, and haven't put it back on. So let's see if she fires up. Do the old handshake. Turn the gas on. Give her a little choke. Fires right up. One thing I do want to show you is this sliding mechanism. Let's get up here one-handed. Let's see if I can show you that somehow. Okay, so you have this trip rope here that hooks onto your shaft there, and pull up on it, the pin comes up, the pin come up. Okay, right now it's in pretty straight, like highway conditions. You pull this down the road, but pull that pin up and back up. My clutch is sticky, so you gotta take it, turn it off before I put it in gear. Okay, anyways. Okay, we'll back up. Come on, baby. What's the deal? What you do? Come on. Hold on, technical difficulty. Oh yeah, there she goes. Okay, see it sliding up that slot? Just like that, and then you let go of the pin, let go of the rope, pull forward a little bit, we'll fall in one of them holes, like that. And now look at you pull both of the gangs, all 4 gangs are at an angle now, so you can disc with them now. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we go. carburetors, I always turn the gas off and let it run out of fuel before I turn the key off. That way it's empty. It doesn't seem to have as many problems that way. So just a tip, if you have one of these, those carburetors can be a real big pain in the butt. Alright. Keep boiling over or what? Looks like my battery's boiling over. What in the world?